Okay, good evening, student. We will revise 3 point, then we will go for further point. So 2x square minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now compare with that, a is equal to what? 2. B is equal to what? Minus 5. C is equal to what? 10. So first topic is to find out A, B, C. Second topic, to find out discriminant, that is delta is equal to B square minus 4 AC. This is A. So B square minus 4 AC. B square minus 5. B square 4A C. So 5 5s are 25 minus 4 to the 8, 8 to 10, 80. 55. But bigger number is minus. So the delta is minus 55, that is less than 0. Therefore, roots are not equal and not real. Then we have learned one more topic, that if alpha is given, beta is given, two solutions are given for the equation, and of which equation these roots are there, that equation you have to find. Always you have to write alpha plus beta is equal to 3 plus minus 10 alpha dot beta 3 into minus 10 is equal to minus 30. Now simple, x square minus x in bracket alpha plus beta plus alpha dot beta. Now x square minus x, what is alpha plus beta? Minus 7. What is alpha dot beta? Minus 30. So x square plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Equation with ax square plus bx plus c. Second point, that triangle symbol in a maths, it is called as discriminant, that the formula of that is b square minus 4ac. So substitute the value. If you will get 0, roots are real and equal. If answer is positive, plus, real, unequal. If it is less than 0, not real, not equal. Then two answers are given. Alpha is given, beta is given. You can take this also alpha, this also beta. Okay, any one alpha, second one beta. First always find out plus, second always find out product. Then write out the formula, x square minus x in bracket alpha plus beta plus alpha dot beta. Substitute, you will get the answer, means equation. So both the things we have learned. From the equation, make the factor. From the factor, make the equation. Suppose this I want to factorize. So 30 to 7 means x square plus 10x minus 3x is equal to 0. Minus 30 is equal to 0. From these two and these two, take the common. So x plus 10 minus 3 x plus 10, because minus plus minus Now common of common. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10, x is equal to 3. So minus 10, 3. So from answer to equation, from equation to answer. So both the way you have to learn. This is the only method. No other method are given in the textbook. This is the same. I am not teaching you the different thing. Same method from solution to find the equation. From the equation to find the solution. Now, we have to find out one equation whose root sum are exactly equal to the double of the product. What is given? What is given? Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 alpha dot beta, it is given. Now, equation is given x square minus 4k x plus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Now our a is equal to only 1, b is equal to minus 4k, last part c is equal to k plus 3. Now what is the formula of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. And what is alpha dot beta? This is the formula. C by a. Alpha plus beta minus b by a. Alpha dot beta C by a. So what is b? Minus b we want. So this is minus. So minus minus cancel. A is 1. So alpha plus beta. Alpha dot beta. What is C? C is k plus 2, k plus 3 by A. A means 1. Now the condition is given, apply this condition. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 alpha dot beta. This is 4k is equal to k plus 3. Now this k goes this side. 4k minus k is equal to 3. So 3k is equal to 3. Divide by 3. So 3 will cancel. So like this unknown number we have to find. One more question is that very interesting. Y square minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. We have to find out x square plus alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. Question. Now from this find out first ABC. What is A is 1. What is B? Minus 2. What is C? Minus C. Then always find out alpha plus beta. What is that? Minus b by a. So that is minus minus plus 2 by 1. And alpha dot beta. Alpha dot beta is c by a. That is minus 7. If you will not write this, divide by 2, divide by 1, that is okay. Okay, now we got this and this. Now we want this. So write the alpha plus beta all square is equal to alpha square beta square to alpha beta. For example, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 in bracket a plus b, a dot b. So this we have where it is 2. This we don't have. This we have. What is 7? 2 to the 4. Alpha square beta square 14. This goes this side. 4 minus 14 alpha square beta square. So that this is minus 10. I will write this side. Hello. Again, I think it becomes hot. Wait. My voice is coming. Wait. Somebody is presenting the screen with me. That is why this is happening. Now it is clear. Now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. And finally I have ordered laptop, but it will take 3-4 days. Now one more question. This alpha cube, beta cube. So that alpha plus beta whole cube is equal to, how to write, alpha cube beta cube plus 3 alpha beta alpha plus beta. Remember the formula. Now this is given, alpha plus beta is how much? 2 cube, alpha cube beta cube. Alpha dot beta is given minus 7. Alpha plus beta is given 2. So this is a 2 cube. This is alpha cube, beta cube that we want. Plus minus plus again minus. 7 3s are 21, 2s are. This will go this side. So 2 answer we got. For that you have to remember this formula. This is a very important formula. You will get the photograph, so don't worry, I am dropping this. Now roots are real and equal. This is very important topic. From this exercise, generally they ask in the SSC board exam this type of a question. For example, 3x square plus ky plus 12 is equal to 0. What is given? Roots are equal and real. It is given that roots real. Therefore, you can write this delta is equal to 0. When it is real and equal, delta is equal to 0. But what is the formula of delta? It is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now take this side. B square is equal to 4ac. So when it is given no real and equal, so 1, 2, 3, 4 blindly you have to write. For any question, this part should be constant. Forget about this. With the equation they have given real and equal. So write 1, 2, 3, 4 step. Same for any question. Dot to dot same. 4 question. 4 point. First point. real and equal. Therefore delta is equal to 0. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, because what is the formula? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So b square is equal to 4ac plus minus 2 plus. Now substitute. What is b? What is b? K. What is a? 3. What is c? 12. Follow. So k square is equal to 4 these are 12 into 12 is equal to 12 square. Don't make the product. K square is equal to 12 square. So k is equal to 12, but plus or minus 12. Follow? So this is given, only you have to substitute. Then unknown number you will get, that is k. Correct? One more question of same type. Kx in bracket x plus 2 x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Again same. So find out kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. So a is equal to only k. Remove x square, whatever remain a. Remove x only, whatever remain that is b. Remove c, last number is c. Again same, roots are real and equal. Therefore delta is equal to 0. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore b square is equal to 4ac. These 4 steps I have written here same, here I have written same. Whenever it is given, it is real and equal, you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple for any question. Okay, now we will substitute. What is b square? What is b? Four. What is a? What is c? 6. 2 to the 4. K square. 4 into 6k. Correct. 4 cancel. So k square is equal to k 6. This is k dot k is equal to 6 dot k. So again k cancel. So k is equal to 6. That is the final unknown answer. Hello. Okay. Now it is okay. Okay?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Because phone is become very hot now, because recording and all the things are going together. That is the problem. Okay, so here also we got unknown, here also we got unknown. Now there is one product of Pragati's 2 year ago in 3 year hence will be 84. So the name that 2 year 3 years hence name present age 2 years before, name is Pragati. Present age we don't know, X. 2 year ago it is minus, no? 2 year ago 2 minus 3 year hence. So from today 3 year hence will be this. So they have given this and this product is 84. Therefore x minus 2 x minus 3 is equal to 0. There are two methods, so I will leave this space for a shortcut method. First find out this regular method, x minus 2 x minus 3 is equal to 0. So this multiplied by full x minus 3 minus 2 x minus 3 is equal to 0. This into this, x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Correct? So this is, sorry, it is given 84, sorry. X square minus 3x minus 2x means 55x plus 6 minus 84 is equal to 0. So x square minus 5x minus 78 is equal to 0. Now from 78 we need 5. So 78 make it half. So that is 38. Make again half. So 19. Let me explain again. Name is Pragati. Present age is x. 2 years ago, x minus 2. 3 years hence, it will be x plus 3. So the product is both the bracket x minus 2, x plus 3. Correct? So that is 84. So x into x plus 3 minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 84. X into x, x square. X into 3, 3x. X into 2, 2x. X into 3, 2 into 3 minus 6. 84. 84 when come this side, so it becomes 90. 3x minus 2x, that is 1x. And that 1x is plus. From 90 you need 1 only. So this is 10 nines are. And I need plus, so bigger for figure plus smaller minus. So x square plus 10x minus 9x minus 9 is equal to 0. So here x only common, x plus 10, minus 9 common, x minus 10, this is 10. So minus plus minus, common of common, x plus 10, x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 9. So age can never be negative. So this, therefore Pragati's present age Pragati's present age is 9 years. If it is 9 years, 2 years before she was of 7 years. 3 years after from this, 3 years after, that is 12. And they have given the product 84. 12 7s are 84. From this is the method. This is slightly more. Now minus 3, see, x minus 2, x plus 3, we know that 12 7s are 84. 7 you can write as 9 minus 2. Here 9 plus 3. 12 I have written in the form of 9 plus 3. 7 I have written in the form of 9 minus 2. Now compare the equation, minus 2 minus 2 plus 3 plus 3. X, so x is equal to 9. So the present age of Pragati is equal to 9 years. This it will take a little time because it is on the oral calculation, but you can go through this method. Again listen, Pragati's today's age is x. 2 years ago, x minus 2. From here, 2 years hence, it will be plus. 2 years ago and 3 years hence, the product, this and this product, it is given 84. So from that I have started up. Again I have written this, x into full bracket minus 2 into full bracket. So this is x square, 3x, 2x, minus plus minus 6, 84. 84 comes this side. So this becomes minus 90. Plus 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is equal to x only. Correct? Now 90 I have divided into two parts such that middle term I will get 1. 10 9s are 90. So plus 10 minus 9 is equal to plus 1. Correct? So common of common. From here I have taken x common. From here I have taken 9 common. Minus 9 is common, so plus minus minus. So again common I have written here and I have made one new bracket. X minus 9 is equal to 0. So first bracket can be 0 or second bracket can be 0. So this is minus 10. So the age we have considered x. So age cannot be negative. So x is equal to 9. Positive answer, it is okay for the age. So the Pragati's present age is 9. So again I am talking on this